Yeah, good day, good afternoon, viewers. We are at the Southwest Resource Center in Abeokuta, Okemoson. Here we have some students who are stranded here. They were here to write a JAMB mock exam, and then according to the findings by Platform Times, we learned that they had been here since 6 a.m. and the center has not attended to them. The Platform Times made an attempt to speak with the woman. The woman has not even shown up. And we even learned that the what is that now? What is that now? What is that now? How you be disturbing us? I'm a journalist now. What is that now? We waited for your woman. You didn't attend. Look at the look. What is that? You don't have that right. Oh. You don't have that right. Don't allow the woman, please. Don't allow the woman now. We have gone to the woman. He didn't attend. Look at them now. Many of them are not eating. What are you talking about?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
You cannot stop it.
Hello.
Tell your madam to come out.
Hello.
Many of them have written their exams. They have gone to Ayetoro. They have not told them anything.
Hello. Hello.
You know, yes. We have gone up there. The woman has not attended to us.
Hello.
What is the problem? I mean, journalists have thrown the ID card down. Some of them have not eaten. Their parents are not here.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
I'm listening. What and he's stopping the live program.
Hello.
Can I say over now? Why are you harassing him? You can't harass her. You can't say over now. That is why you there were. If you are, in the face. How you teach them? What is happening? Oh, you? How you have me? You are the number one. What is that?
Did you tell the center that?
Yes, no, I don't need to tell them. I'm a journalist. I don't need to tell them.
No.
Yes,
You cannot come here without saying.
I can't come here as a journalist.
You cannot come without seeking a consent before very road.
It's a public place.
It doesn't mean somebody hates there. No. That's right. I cannot just come to your office now and start taking your picture or video. Yes or no? I have to see who. Somebody that hates you there. Is that right? No. Even if you not, your own is are you getting it? Now, if you post anything against her now, it's another thing. Over suing that you didn't come to tell her, it's another thing. So you have to be very careful. See, you use your discretion when you're doing anything. You use discretion. And it's going to report jealousy. No, you don't do that. Hello. In as much you are not told to video, you don't do that. Even we were telling the parents of them, no, you shouldn't have done that. And that is why I'm correcting you. Do you get that? You have come to somebody's establishment here or provided, okay, it's a public spot. Courtesy demand, you talk to that person, okay, you can video there. That's the go ahead. That means wherever you take that person to, it will be justified. Are you getting me? So that is it. Please delete it. Please delete it. No, can you delete it? Now delete it.
Depends on how agitated. They are even planning that they are going to protect, they are going to destroy things.
Any fullness?
But the journalist might say they try to elevate them. I don't know you as a staff now. I don't know you as a staff. I don't understand how to approach them.
Talk to me.
I'm already talking to you. Just walk away, man.
Because I have a lot. I'm talking to my
Just walk away. Rather just keep quiet. You see, I have works I'm doing.
Okay, we all have.
The parents called me. Even more than they were agitated. That many centers in Loode State, they have finished their exams, except Southern Resource Center. And their children, it's important, they have been here since 6 a.m. And not as you see some of them have been confined. I mean, many of them don't have their parents here. Their money it's outside. They have not eaten. The purpose of coming here is to just talk to the madam what is happening. You cannot just use what parents say.
One, jump has nothing to do with me. Do you understand? Generator don't do it. You know what generator 6 o'clock. So I'm not in the best of mood. I have what 65,000 naira generator. Three exams. You know that 6 exam. So anyway, me know do. Do you understand? I left my house at 4 o'clock this morning because it's why you give me. So anyway, me know do. So if and I an option. If they want to, how much of a they are free to go.